Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with essentials: the working master key and the new fob, both with fresh batteries. This ensures signal integrity. Once ready, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed, ignition and accessories off, because stray power will interrupt programming. Make sure you know your model sequence. Many Volkswagens require a series of ignition on/off cycles and key turns to enter programming mode. Follow that exact rhythm to prompt the vehicle's immobilizer receiver to listen. Now you execute the middle steps that actually teach the car the new code. Insert and remove the master key following the ignition on/off pattern. Watch the dash lights or chime. These signal the ECU entered programming mode. When prompted, press and hold the new fob's lock button until you hear a lock cycle or see a confirmation light. This is the car registering the fob's rolling code. If you have multiple fobs, program them in the same session to avoid resetting the learned list. Finish by testing every button: lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic. Then complete the final ignition cycle so the car exits programming mode. If a fob fails, first swap its battery and repeat the steps within the allowed time window. Timing and order matter. Make sure you use the correct master key sequence. If the problem persists, the issue may be immobilizer or ECU related. Visit a dealer or locksmith with diagnostic tools to read fault codes and perform an ECU sync.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.